thing I feared.
I found the demons! Found the demons! Fucking found the...
I'm burning them. Yo, I'm OP. Actually, my dream.
I see someone standing up. I'm assuming it's one of you guys.
Yeah, it's me. If you see red ghost, it's me.
Wait, no, some nigga just kicked me. Wait, no, that's a girl. Never mind, I'm tripping.
Yeah,
My
motherfucker.
bad, shorty. My bad. Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga! Fight back!
I don't know who this is.
Oh, wow, that's... You just beat the shit out of one of our homies.
Yo, he's scared of me. He's scared of me.
Yeah, because you started beating his ass.
Dead.
That's our homies.
Nigga, they dead on a stick. They not our homies no more.
Yeah, so this is our boy. You killed our boy. I had to revive him.
Ah, he's not dead.
Yeah, I had to revive him because you killed him. He was on the
Wasn't dead in
ground
the
begging
beginning.
for help.
Oh, I can tell him to get sticks. Yeah, get sticks, bitch ass nigga.
Alright, boys. Listen.
Stop that.
Alright, guys. We need to go and find some sticks,
Holy
okay?
shit, it sounds like you're talking out of a fucking webcam. Stop.
I said sticks.
Stop. I will kill you.
How do you guys spot the walkie?
Can somebody reply to me? I say sticks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't do it.
Yo, this guy came and dropped.
Oh, don't do it. I'm sorry. Oh, wait, stop. You stupid monkey baboon bitch, stop.
I'm not gonna tell him nowhere.
Huh?
Oh, what the fuck? Owen, that was a grenade?
Looking for a spot for... Oh, God, there's
See? That's
gremlins.
what you get. That's what you get. Should have waited for us. Stupid bitch. He's chasing after Eli, bro. Not anymore. Not me anymore. So now it's Eli.
I tried to get a hit in, but I couldn't.
Nah,
I'm
fuck
using
those, bro. Blow that nigga up. Just
Are you-
fucking blow
I'm
up
using
the
them,
base if
I'm
you
using
want
them.
to. Just do it.
There's like a running to me, bro. All right.
Oh my god.
That shit.
Yo, Eli told me, yo, run, Owen.
She got more than...
Yo, you got 3 arms.
Fuck her up.
Oh, no, don't fuck her. We need her. No, we need her.
Oh, we can save her. Oh, she's a friend?
Yes, she's sure.
Well, now she's not anymore.
It's not. Fuck. Having audio bugs.
You found audio bugs. Where the fuck you find them shit?
Oh my god. Just cover me. I need to go use the bathroom.
Now, a sneak attack.
I died.
Oh, I did too.
Yeah, well, it was the only one that left.
I died, didn't I?
Look to your right. Oh, look at me. Oh my god. Like fucking disguise failed when you got back. He's fucked. Like, I'm dead.
Kill him with the log. Yeah, get him.
Dead.
Yeah.
No. Fuck you, nigga. That's
that?
fucked up, yo.
Who does that?
He's gone. Okay, it's
See you
not.
later.
Someone else try to go.
See you later. I went down already.
Oh,
See
what
ya.
the fuck?
See you, bud.
I'm going.
Oh shit.
I hit a jump.
I went through the map.
Shit. Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
I hit a mountain.
Boys!
Yeah, I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm a champ.
Pepe's into the shadow realm.
Boys! I'm still going.
Where are you?
I'm on the beach.
What the
God
fuck?
damn.
The
Bro, I
beach.
see him all the way over there.
God damn.
I'm coming down.
What the fuck?
wait for your hit,
Pass
Pepe.
down all these trees, bro.
See you later, Eli.
I made
Where is-
it.
Oh my god.
You found it.
I'm burning them. Yo, I'm OP.
Hold on, I gotta pull out the cross. I'm adding it to my bag.
I'm burning them.
Do you have to hit him, or do you just have to aim it at him?
Left click, left click, left
Amen.
click. You shake it at him. It's not even really aiming or anything.
Oh, okay.
Just like making sure he knows you got it.
These tight ass fucking holes. Nice. Pause.
Yeah, baby girl.
Yeah, we're in hell.
Not
Or like
hard.
in a volcano.
Nah, this is hell. Demons,
okay.
demons and lava. Hell. Out of that.
And there's before.
Yeah, y'all went
guy.
in without us.
15.
Yeah, what type of shit is that?
Oh, I thought you guys were behind
Literally
us.
I literally said that I'm gonna continue going because it's pointless on fighting them.
Doesn't mean you have to go to the whole fucking thing now.
Oh,
No.
I thought that dude was gonna get cut in half.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, we saw this. This was on the drawing in one of the caves. This box.
The cube, right?
Yeah.
The cube.
Oh, he's gonna transform. Where the fuck? What?
Wait. So,
Remember, stay in the cube.
oh, 14
holy
victory
shit.
covered. Oh, shit.
What the hell?
What's going on?
Don't spoil it, guys. Oh,
Bacon.
Is there a concert?
Yeah.
It's a fucking concert.
Some crazy shit going on.
Yo,
Melvin's there.
here.
Yeah. He can't hear the music though.
Yeah. Well, I'm not shaking.
I don't think it's like they're supposed to already fucking girl by now. Like, I don't think we're supposed to be this advanced.
What
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't hear a single word that Eli
the fuck?
said.
Oh.
Ew, what the fuck?
That's the guy that killed us.
What are you talking about?
Remember? The
Oh.
alien?
I have no fucking idea what you're talking about.
Never mind. Oh, I think we. What the fuck?
That's
Did this guy get shot?
motherfucker that we saw.
I hear a heli.
Oh, so that's, oh, one of you just fucking popped up right in front of me.
Yeah.
Me.
Same.
I'm pushing you. I can't. Oh,
I see you guys in the cutscene, so what the fuck?
Wait, we can leave?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, I picked up my bag.
yeah, me too. And now
And it
it's.
became night.
Are they leaving?
Yo, you better not be taking my son Melvin.
Ah! I
I
died.
guess we could. Oh, I guess we could have chosen to either stay or leave with them.
Damn, I'm going in.
Time for this really loud cutscene. There's gotta be, like, there's not been one boss fight, so there's gotta be one.
Oh, so cute.
Fuck
Oh,
these niggas.
cute.
Hey, shoot their fucking helicopter down when they
We're
drive
going
off.
in?
Yeah, we're gonna go in this time.
Alright.
Fought demons.
Yeah, we definitely helped them along the way somewhere.
Yeah, somehow we did something.
I feel like we're gonna get kicked. Oh, Melvin's here. He hit his head. Melvin can't kick or break.
Yep. He
Why
couldn't
is he
hear.
bleeding from his ears?
His eardrums shattered. I guess you just never decided to wash them. Wait, so why didn't they land on the helipad?
Yeah, why does it look like there's a boat? Oh, never mind.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, that was.
Ben Falcone. Broad green.
Damn, there's not a lot of people that made this game.
That's probably why it took so long.
Yeah, and there's no voice acting. Yeah, one dude did the AI.
Yeah, no, one dude did one thing.
Yeah.
One dude did additional programming.
Oh, Chris
Oh,
Lally.
animation.
Oh, there's two guys. Yeah, they got two.
Oh, there you go. Two.
Additional animation, there's 3.
Oh my god. 3D artist is just Lucas Patras. That sounds like a Harry Potter spell. Look at him.
Hold on, I need to head too.
Oh my god, he's drowning.
Good.
He got scared. And, oh, it's her. Her tits are out. Oh, there she goes. Oh, her head. Oh my god, she's flying over to you. Did you catch her? Oh, fucking hell. There's her head.
Head too.